Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet for the monthly update. So we using our Google Sheet as an option scanner to find out an ATM option to get an opportunity by using our advanced option strategy. So for the month of January, so we find out a lot of stocks having a high volatile, but finally we seen there is a mixed view. And in this case, we find some opportunities in a call side or something like some 15 stocks more than 150 percentage. That was more than 50 percentage from our entry point. And some of the stocks which is around 20% higher, almost 18 stocks. But in a put side, so if you are looking at almost no, more than 30% is almost 23 stocks. So mixed view for the month of January, but we are expecting bigger range. Some stocks moving upside, some others are moving downside. But majority of the movement which is happening in the last week. So if you are looking at the weekly positional sheet, only 3 days in the week. So here you are looking at a sum of almost 13 call side, and if you are looking at so more than 50% is almost 29 stocks in a put side. So normally we are not looking at end of the expiry week because of the physical margin, the physical delivery and the high margins, the main reason. So if you are doing our positional strategy, we are looking at to close our position last Friday before the expiry week. Okay, so maybe if you are looking at, so maybe 19 or 20 should be the date we are closing our position. So while taking a trade, so today also I got some updates. So if you are looking at a non-directional trade, always you can use our monthly IV sheet. From that list, you can select a top listed stocks. Okay, so based on the IV, so don't go for the random stocks, so which we are already updated. So you can do a back test from the top listed stocks, some of the stocks which we are focusing for January. So here we look at this top 10 stocks. From that, we can focus some of the stocks that is going to generate you some good result. Okay. In this case, if someone who have taken a stock which is 30th or 17th, so because we are looking at from this list, I think Petronet, IOC and PFC that was looking good, and sale also good. ONGC I'm not looking at. Bajaj Auto today I think. So maybe Bajaj Auto if you are looking at today, that was giving you the target more than the target only today, but it is giving you an opportunity at this point. But from 450, that is what on strike price which you are looking at in Bajaj Auto 7,100, it's 188, and almost it achieved our target. Okay, so sorry, this is about a weekly. So I'm looking at a monthly. So monthly Bajaj Auto, yeah, it is there around 6800 is the strike price, around 460. So let example Bajaj Auto 6800. Our entry point maybe 460. That can be 450. Yeah, here is the opening of the 9th of the month. Opening itself, it is moving 549. So 460 is our entry point. It is maybe a gap of because 454. But after if you are looking at, so maybe it will be retracement. We will be getting 460 at this point. Or if you are taken at also, it is never triggered our stop loss, but the target was achieved on the last day. So we are not able to hold it. Maybe if you are exiting on 17th or 19th, it's around 393. Okay, but as per the concept, it is achieving the target. We are not able to hold it for a till the expiry date because of high margin. So we can hold with the higher margin. So like Apollo Tire, some of the stocks up to 15. And then put side, so we are looking at some stocks which is giving you such opportunity that was given. For example, IDFC First Bank and IDFC. The lot size is big, but that given you opportunity and triggers our target. Let me check. In a put side IDFC 127 put option in this case. So when did this triggers, and when our entry point is around 7.11 127 put option 7.1 at this time it is making a high 7.85. Maybe your entry got triggered on 10th of January and then it came down to maybe this is what a stop loss trade, and after your stop loss then it went up. So if you are looking at our hedging strategies like a 2.1, 3.2, some other strategies if you are using here, maybe this point of the time you will be getting protected and this time you will be getting exiting with a profit. So you need to decide which strategy is suitable to you. So based on that only you need to plan. So because each and every strategy having different risk factors and different rewards. Okay, so based on that, your risk ability, so which one suitable, so you can apply on that particular one. So we are looking at, if you're non-directional top listed stocks, you can look for, so maybe the next month the data, maybe in this weekend I will be updating for next week. So one more thing, so this is not an end of the month, this is what an expiry only. So we have another 3 sessions on the next week, so that we can update for February contract, which you can only use the weekly positional. Okay, monthly positional, it's not going to be updated. It will be always updated on the first of every month. Don't use monthly positional for a next week, first 3 days trading session. Only weekly and intraday. So intraday, it is working based on the Cambrilla pivot levels, the ones, those stocks which is giving you the breakout. After 9:30, it would be a better, but today is an entirely different concept because of an expiry. But even this is a working strategy, and also we have created some scanners and we are updated on that Google Sheet users. You can also, using that particular scanner, you can easily find out the stocks which going to break after 9:30. So that would be a better option. So we can find out, for example, NTPC today 310. So let me go for NTPC 310 call. So based on the pivot, so how to add a pivot point, so simply you can use the pivot point standard, and after that you can go to the settings and inputs, it should be the Cambrilla, and you can use auto, that's good enough. And style, you can, I don't want to pivot, S1 S2, I need these two levels, so you can change the colors, and then that's okay. They can auto save, it is auto save. So what are the stocks? NTPC 310, 310 call option. What's happening here? What is the price? 310 call option 240 to 2.42, but this was 5 rupees. Where TPC? Let me check again. 310 4.5 is the current price. Okay, so we are using 1 hour chart, so the pivot would be auto calculated. So let me go for 15 minutes. Yeah. So if you are looking at this particular chart, the R4 can get breaked in the first candle itself. So using that scanner, which I have already provided in the charting, so that will help you to this find out the stocks which is giving you the breakout after 9:15. So let me check some of the stocks based on the scanner which you have created. That already I have shared in a group also. So if any stock which is giving you the breakout after second candle. So here I'm just looking at Ambuja Cement. So let me go for Ambuja Cement. Maybe if you have high margin, you can do on a trade. So in the second candle, where you can look at the second candle which break the Camarilla R4. In the first candle, it not breaking that level. So this is what an opportunity where we can find out the breakout over and above that level. Maybe a R4, or even based on your risk, you can give a pivot as a stop loss. Whatever the thing. So based on the risk, you can plan with that. So based on an option strategy, and we find out the strike price on Ambuja Cement is around 525. 525 call option. Let me look at this. The second candle where it is given you the breakout, the high is around 11 rupees. Maybe that day low is around 4.5. In this case, day low also broken. But maybe a second time, if you are taking an opportunity with this from that point of 10.5, with the second time low is not broken, but it is giving you better opportunity. By using that scanner, we will be finding out. I'm taking the list out from that, the second candle breakout, and Glenmark. This is also second candle. From this list, you can find out those stocks not given the close, and it is tested and it returned back. So we need to find out such a stocks from this top list, and we compare with that scanner. We can easily find out a better opportunities on intraday. Simply we are using Camarilla R4 level to break out. But monthly positional and weekly positional, it works based on our concept. And this monthly positional, which is going to be updated on 1st of February. So weekly positional is going to be updated next week, Monday, and you will be finding for a weekly trade on a February contract, because January is got already expired. So we will wait for a February contract to get an opportunity to trade on the weekly basis also. So thank you so much, and follow. If you're non-directional and directional, you should plan with before you are trying for an opportunity. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and keep subscribing the channel, and my WhatsApp number is shown here in this video. So temporarily you can contact through this WhatsApp number to any details or to support or something like you can. The old WhatsApp number is currently not working. So once it is ready, so let me update on this video itself. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions and doubt also, you can just comment on this comment box, as well as you can connect through my WhatsApp number or in Telegram, which is available in description. Thank you so much.